Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc00000e, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to fix the BCD. And how do you do that? We have a few commands here. I'll share them in the description section of this video. Copy them. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste these commands here and hit enter. After this, you can run the sfc scan. So in the same window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will invoke the sfc scan. You need administrator permissions for this. The next solution will be a check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk /f/r and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is to disable fast startup. Now how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced. You'll have to go back to power options and then select on choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn off the switch for a turn on fast startup and click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.